Lab putters are by far the most desired club in golf, and these are some alternatives that won't cost you $700. You have the Cleveland HB Soft Center Shafted. This is around $170. Wilson has just released a zero torque version in their Infinite line with the Lakeview model, and it's around $270. Then one of everyone's favorite golf brands now, in Vice, they released a zero torque putter in the Vice Golf VGP04ZT. That's a mouthful, but at least it won't cost you a lot. Send this to a buddy who dreams at night of using a lab putter, and if you like budget golf, give me a follow.